Hi everyone, I'm Shweta Sharma and I'm your sugar makeup expert for the day, and today I'm going to show you one brunch makeup look. So as you all know, in between breakfast and lunch, sunlight is really harsh and we want to keep our makeup glowing, fresh and natural. So I'm going to put more emphasis on the skin. So I'm going to start with the foundation first, and for that I'm going to use Ace of Face foundation stick in the shade 03 Chocochino. So because we want to keep our skin looking very fresh, so I'm going to use it very sparingly. You don't need to apply too much. It doubles up as a concealer, so you don't need another product. And don't forget your neck. Now use the brush provided in the stick and blend your foundation really well. So blend it really well because you don't want your face to look cakey. And this product is water resistant and sweat proof, so you don't have to worry about retouching. So I'm gonna let that foundation settle into my skin a little bit, and in the meantime I'm going to do my eye makeup. I'm going to use this Contour de Force face palette in the shade 01 Subtle Summit. So you get one bronzer, one highlighter and one blush all in one palette. So I'm going to use a little bit of blush on my lid and highlighter on my inner corner just to highlight that area. So I'm going to use the tip of my ring finger because it's the most gentle finger, and I'm going to apply this blush onto my lid. So it gives you a very nice blush that looks really gorgeous. Now I'm going to use a little bit of highlight only onto my inner corner and blend it. Now that my foundation is set, I'm going to set it further using as nude as it gets SPF 15 compact in the shade 02 Cappuccino. So I'm going to use this very soft sponge that you get inside the compact to set my foundation. So I'm just going to take a little amount of the compact and lightly dab it onto my skin. You don't want to drag it because you will move your foundation. You don't want to do that. Just lightly dab it and then lightly blend it. Now for that flush of health, I'm going to apply some blush onto the apples of my cheek. So I'm using the blush from the same face palette. It's a very gorgeous blush and highly pigmented. So I'm going to use this very gorgeous peachy matte shade. This is Matte as Hell Crayon Lipstick in the shade 04 Holly Golightly. And I'm done. So this is the finished look, and it's very fresh, glowing and very natural. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. So do share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.